Hello and welcome. I'm Paige, and I'm so glad you chose to be here right now. This practice is for you, for the part of you that is learning to stand a little taller, trust a little more, and remember your own worth. In the next few minutes, we are going to let your body and mind soften completely. Not to fix anything in you, but because you are already whole, already enough. This practice is simply here to help you feel that truth more deeply. There is nothing you need to prove here, nothing to perform. You need only to receive. Allow yourself to lie down on your back in a comfortable position. Let your legs fall gently open, your feet dropping out to the sides. Rest your arms a little away from your body. Palms turn softly upward, open and receptive. If you'd like a blanket over you or a cushion beneath your knees, take a moment now to make those adjustments. Let the surface beneath you hold your full weight. Every part of you supported. You don't have to hold yourself up here. Gently allow your eyes to close. Before we journey through the body, we'll plant a sankalpa, a heartfelt intention or resolve. This is a short, positive statement, a seed placed in the fertile ground of your relaxed awareness. You might already have one, or you can borrow this offering. I am worthy exactly as I am. My confidence grows from the truth of my own value. Repeat your sankalpa silently in your mind 3 times with sincerity and trust. Now we begin a gentle journey through the body. Simply let your awareness arrive at each place I name. There is nothing to change, only to notice. Bring your awareness to the crown of your head. Feel into your forehead, wide and open. Your temples softening. Your eyebrows, any trace of tension dissolving. Your eyelids resting softly closed. the space behind your eyes quiet and still. Sense your nose, the bridge, the nostrils, your cheeks, soft and heavy, your ears, simply receiving sound, your lips, lightly touching or gently parted, your jaw, letting go, space opening between your teeth, your tongue resting easy against the floor of your mouth. Notice your chin, your throat open and unguarded, the back of your neck long and releasing. Feel both shoulders together, melting downward, away from your ears. Your upper arms, heavy and warm. Both elbows, soft at the joint. Your forearms, resting. Both wrists. Bring your attention to both hands at once. The palms of your hands, soft and open. The backs of your hands. All 10 fingers together, releasing. The thumbs, the index fingers, the middle fingers, the ring fingers, the little fingers, the fingertips, warm and alive. Sense your chest now, rising and falling with each breath. Your heart space, open and held. Your rib cage, expanding gently and softening. Your upper back, fully supported. The middle of your back, sinking into the surface beneath you. Feel into your belly, soft and unguarded. Your lower back, heavy and warm. Your hips, both sides together, wide and releasing. Your pelvis, grounded and at rest. Allow your awareness to flow down into both thighs at once, long and heavy, sinking. Both knees, soft at the joint. Both shins and calves, releasing toward the ground. Both ankles. Sense both feet together. The heels of your feet, the arches, the balls of your feet, all 10 toes, the soles of your feet, warm and grounded. Now expand your awareness to hold the whole body at once. One unified field of presence. Whole, complete, worthy. Now we'll explore the quality of opposites, allowing your awareness to deepen. As you inhale, invite a sense of expansion, a gentle opening, as if the body is growing outward in all directions, like a flower turning toward the light. And as you exhale, a sense of contraction, a soft, comfortable gathering, drawing inward, resting at your own center. Inhale, expansion. Exhale, contraction. Inhale, opening, brightening, reaching outward, claiming your space. Exhale, settling, centering, coming home to yourself. Continue this rhythm in your own time for the next few breaths. Let these sensations dissolve now. Simply rest in the breath itself and the natural balance between opening and arriving. We'll use the breath as an anchor, counting gently backward from 10 down to 1. Each count marks one full breath cycle. Inhale and exhale. If you lose track, simply begin again wherever feels natural. There is no wrong way to do this. 10. 9. 8. Now continue counting down in your own rhythm all the way to 1. Allow each breath to carry you deeper into ease. Wherever you are in your count. Gently release the counting now. Simply rest in the rhythm of breath, present and still. It's time now to begin your return. Before we transition, bring your sankalpa back to mind one more time. Repeat it silently, sealing this intention in your deepest awareness. Begin to sense the borders of your body once again. Notice where your skin meets the air, where your body meets the surface beneath you. Feel the volume of your body, the space you occupy. You are here, whole, enough. Let your breath deepen just slightly, expanding your rib cage a little more with each inhale. Gently awaken sensation in your fingers and toes. Tiny movements, a soft flutter. If it feels right, you might roll onto your right side, curling into a restful shape. Or simply remain where you are. Take a moment to lie quietly, eyes still closed or softly open. Take a moment to thank yourself for offering this gift today. May you carry this sense of expansion with you as you move through your day. May you remember in moments of doubt that your worth is not something you earn. It is something you already are. May you stand in that truth, grounded and steady, open and unafraid. Thank you for joining me today. When you're ready, you can slowly sit up and carry this calm into your day. Or if you prefer, feel free to stay here and rest for a few more minutes. There's no rush. Take whatever time you need.